Imagine you're starting a business. You need a way to accept payments from customers around the world. You've heard about Airwallex, but you're not sure if it's the right choice. So, let's dive into the question, is Airwallex a bank? Airwallex is a global financial infrastructure platform that enables businesses to move, manage, and spend money across borders. It's like a financial superhighway for businesses. But here's the twist, Airwallex isn't a bank in the traditional sense. Key differences between Airwallex and a bank. No banking license. Unlike banks, Airwallex doesn't hold a traditional banking license. This means it can't offer certain banking services like accepting deposits, lending money, or offering insurance. Partner banks. Airwallex works with partner banks around the world to provide its services. These banks handle the underlying financial transactions, while Airwallex provides the technology and infrastructure. Focus on global payments. Airwallex specializes in cross-border payments. It's designed to help businesses move money between different countries quickly and efficiently. No physical branches. Unlike banks, Airwallex doesn't have physical branches. All of its services are accessed through its online platform. Benefits of using Airwallex. Speed and efficiency. Airwallex offers faster and more efficient cross-border payments compared to traditional banking methods. Lower costs. Airwallex typically charges lower fees for international transfers than banks. Global reach. Airwallex supports payments in multiple currencies and to many countries around the world. Easy integration. Airwallex can be easily integrated into your business's existing systems. So, is Airwallex a bank? To answer the question directly, no, Airwallex is not a bank. While it provides many of the same services as a bank, it operates under a different regulatory framework and has a more specialized focus on global payments. Is Airwallex right for you? Whether Airwallex is the right choice for your business depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for a fast, efficient, and cost-effective way to handle cross-border payments, Airwallex could be a great option. However, if you require traditional banking services like loans or deposits, you'll need to look elsewhere. Airwallex is a valuable tool for businesses that need to move money across borders. While it's not a bank in the traditional sense, it offers many of the same benefits and can be a great alternative to traditional banking methods. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.